This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Release the spring clips that secure the two halves of the housing together, then separate the halves. Pull the filter out of the air filter housing. Wipe out the inside of the air filter housing, ensure that it is free of debris. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it seats properly. Reassemble the housing halves and snap the clips into place.